How to fix Instagram messages not sending. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. In here, scroll down and click on Creator, Tools and Controls. Then click on Minimum Age. In minimum age, make sure it's over 18. Sometimes you won't be able to send message if you have not reached certain age. After you have set your age, you'll be able to send message. This is how to fix Instagram messages not sending. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.